Welcome to week 14 of a weekly series where I bet 20,000 satoshis worth of Bitcoin using the Ember app on 3 NFL picks, and then I use those 3 picks to make a parlay. I'll show my stats from week to week, and the best thing about this is that there's no investment required. So if you want to make some NFL predictions and make some free Bitcoin, please use the Ember app link that you see in the description. And so far on the year, I'm 33-19, and I've won $210.94, and I've lost $86.45. My first pick is the Los Angeles Rams over the Arizona Cardinals. Now, the Rams were my loss last week, but the Arizona Cardinals, as long as they have Jacoby Brissett, I don't see him getting around the Rams pass rush. It's one of the best in the league, and Matt Stafford, I feel like, is going to have a comeback game. My second pick is the Baltimore Ravens over the Pittsburgh Steelers. The Steelers have looked really bad lately. This is a home game for the Ravens, and while Lamar Jackson hasn't looked like the world beater self he usually has, I think he also has a comeback game and he beats the Steelers. And my last pick is the Seattle Seahawks over the Atlanta Falcons. The Falcons just lost to the Jets, who are one of the worst teams of all time, and the Seahawks have actually been one of the most surprising teams in the league, so I think they take this game as well. So that means my parlay is the Los Angeles Rams, the Baltimore Ravens, and the Seattle Seahawks, betting 5,000 sats to win 10,300. And I'll be back next week with more picks and updated stats. See you then.